What's up, guys? How are you? Today I have an unboxing from Radtel. I don't know what is. Uh, I don't know what they sent me, but we will find out what it is now. Let's go. Yeah, it's from Radtel. What do we have here? So, POC radio model P8. Hmm, I like the package. Oh, they sent me two models to test. All right. So the belt clip, another one. I like this very much, as you know, to grab my radio. So this is the charger. The package has two chargers with two USB Type C. And then we have the models P8. They are very, very heavy. I don't have a balance here, but they are heavy. I will see if they have a SIM card. Yes, they have. So this is the models Radtel P8. I will show you right here. They are very durable. This is steel. This is not uh, usual to see on these radios, on this type of radios, or I think uh, any kind of radio. I never see a radio made with steel. This is awesome, guys. Let's see. Okay, if I press here, so doesn't do anything. Okay, let's see the menu button, confirm button, power on. Okay, the return button is the power on button, so I have to press yes. I I will don't know if I have to do something else. If I have to do something else, I have to speak with Radtel. I think they have just to pick up some some grade, some network. So the radio recognizes the 4G network, as you can see. Let's see what we have here. I want to install SIM card, remove the battery, blah blah blah. PTT call. So this one, okay. Nicole. Okay, they enter in the hello, 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 hello. They enter on the platform and I'm testing. They work. So we press here in this button. Nicole. They name it Nicole. I don't know why. Nicole Chris. Okay. I think in these buttons here on the left side. Uh, okay. Okay, here. You can do that here. Member. Okay. Setting. Display setting. Language setting. Never hibernate. I will do the same thing in this one. So, what is mine? Let's see. Okay, this is the information about the account, the username and email. Okay, and this is the name of the group, Nicole Chris. Testing, 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 testing. 1, 2, 3. They are very awesome, guys. I think these buttons doesn't have much functions, so I think uh, if these buttons uh, will have the same functions as this one to change the menu, and it will be awesome. If they change that, will be awesome. But the radios are great. Uh, the camera doesn't see. Okay, the camera doesn't pick up the screen. Yeah, but the screen are very lightly. We have in the right the key. You can put the earpiece or a programming cable, and then we can charge directly right here the radio in the battery. What is awesome, because we can go to the outside and just grab a USB Type C cable and just charge directly. It's great. So, guys, I think this is all. I will appreciate Radtel to send me this. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Mr. Kevin, again, to send me this fantastic product to testing. I will test for a few days, and then I will make another video with a short videos on YouTube. Thank you for that. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed. See you the next time. Bye bye.